This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exporting the lists and collecting paths so VLC can recreate your setup. Open Windows Media Player, select a playlist, then use Save List as to write a WPL or M3U if offered. Once done, collect the media folder locations and paste them into a single text file so you know where files live. This step avoids missing files later and speeds import. Make sure the files are accessible. If some items are from removable drives, reconnect them now. You now install VLC and bring your media in. After installing the latest VLC, open Media and choose Open Multiple Files. Add the exported playlist or drag the original media folders into the playlist pane. If Windows Media Player used a proprietary codec like WMA, use VLC's convert/save to transcode to a more compatible format, selecting bitrate and container. Once files load, save the new VLC playlist via Media right arrow. Save. You finish by making VLC the system default and verifying playback. Go to Settings right arrow apps right arrow default apps and assign VLC to audio and video file types. Next, scan playlists. If a file is missing, use your saved path list to relink or move files into the referenced folders and then refresh VLC's media library. If playback shows codec errors, convert the problematic file in VLC or install the needed codec pack. If problems persist, restart VLC and re-add the playlist to clear cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.